The Bentley Flying Spur Mulliner is now available with Blackline Specification. It replaces all of the exterior brightwear, excluding the Bentley Wing badge, for gloss black versions. The signature Mulliner matrix wing vents are also blackened and finished with bright Mulliner branding. The radiator grille remains black with bright edges to the 3D design, and the lower bumper grills are also finished in black. The Blackline Specification also offers an optional black 22 Mulliner wheel with contrast polished pockets. The luxurious interior of the Flying Spur remains unchanged from the existing Mulliner edition, allowing customers to enjoy any color combination they choose as part of Mulliner's limitless offering, or one of 8 recommended 3-color combinations, using Bentley's wide palette of hides and threads.